Hello, and welcome to the 4Tiers Risk Assessment product. 4Tiers Risk provides an easy, consistent and affordable way to simplify your project and day-to-day organizational risk assessments. This is the first of a series of videos that introduces the product and demonstrates all its key features and use. The 4Tiers Risk Assessment product has a comprehensive help and new user tutorial guide accessible under the Help item on the menu bar. The Help Guide provides an indexed approach, allowing you to quickly find the feature or function for which you require assistance. The introduction assists new users understand what is risk and presents the product's key features. The Quick Start steps users through the 5 basic requirements to develop their assessment. And finally, Using Risk describes the application's menus and screens. The new user tutorial guide provides a step-by-step approach to mastering the product, helping create and maturing your risk assessment. Getting Started introduces the main menus and adding risk groups and subgroups. Adding risks and assigning owners to the groups and subgroups. And finally, more advanced features such as filtering and using email. The product architecture allows collections of risks into main group and subgroup hierarchy, presented in the familiar tree view navigation pane. The group and subgroup approach allows the project or risk manager to set the context for the assessment based on each of the group and subgroups. For ease of management and reporting, risks are identified for each of the subgroup categories. Risks are simply added by selecting the toolbar icon and completing the necessary details on the form. The risk form requires information such as the status of the risk, who owns the risk, the details of the risk and its impacts, and finally, the likelihoods, consequences, and treatments of that risk. To successfully mitigate these identified risks, treatment and actions can be added. The treatment form requires information such as the title, detailed description, the treatment quality, and the type of treatment. For each of the identified risks and treatments, action plans can easily be added. Again, the action form requires information such as the title and detailed description, the stakeholders, and action owners. Additional stakeholders and owners can easily be added when required. Once the basic assessment has been completed, the product supports a rich suite of additional functions, enabling features such as reporting, creating graphs, automatic emailing, and risk filtering to enhance your productivity and quality of management reporting. This concludes the introductory video. All features discussed in this video and many more are covered in depth in the additional suite of videos that accompany the product. We hope you've enjoyed this introductory video. It's now time to move on to the demonstration in the series, Adding Groups and Subgroups.